Namaste student, myself J.V. Anshula Kushal, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is Fundamental of Biotechnology. So today's session is Introduction of Microbial Culture Techniques, different kinds of culture techniques. So first of all, what is microbiological culture? A microbial culture is a method of multiplying microbial organisms by letting them reproduce in a predetermined culture medium under controlled laboratory conditions. Microbial culture are foundational and basic diagnostic method used as a research tool in microbial technology, molecular biology. Microbial culture are used to determine the type of organism, its abundance in the simple sample being tested, or both. It is often one of the primary diagnostic method of microbiology and used as a tool or to determine the cause of infectious disease by letting them the agent multiply in a predetermined condition. For example, a throat culture is taken by scraping the lining of the tissue in the back of the throat and blotting the sample into the medium to be able to screen the harmful microorganisms such as Streptococcus pyogenes, the causative agent of strep throat. So, in this bacterial culture are several types of bacterial culture like growth culture, agar plate culture, stab culture, culture collection, and solid plate of thermophilic microbial. Then second was the virus and phage culture, and third one is eukaryotic cell culture. So first of all, we will discuss what is the culture medium. Culture medium is a nutrient substance that is used to cultivate media. And why are culture media sterilized before use? Culture media is sterilized prior to use. The rid of all of the form of could potentially affect experimentation and observation. This create a controlled procedure. So next point is what is growth medium? Growth medium is a medium will have known quantities of all ingredients for microorganism. This consists of providing trace elements and vitamins required by the micro and specially a defined source of both carbon and nitrogen. Glucose and or glycerol is often used as a carbon source and ammonium salt or nitrates as inorganic nitrogen sources. What are the types of media? Enriched media, selective media, differential and indicator media, and growth enclosed in the system. These are the types of media. So next point is what is culture techniques and culture microbial culture overview. So broth culture is the culture is liquid culture in which the desired bacteria are suspended in a liquid nutrient medium such as urea broth in an upright flask. This allows a scientist to grow up a large amount of bacteria for a variety of downstream application. The next is agar plate. Agar plate can be grown in a petri dish of different sizes that have a thin layer of agar based on a growth medium. Once the growth medium is petri dish is inoculated with the desired bacteria, the plates are intubated into optimal temperature for growing the selected bacteria. Next is stab culture. Stab culture are similar to agar plate but are formed by solid agar in a test tube. Bacteria introduced via inoculation needle for a pipetting tip being stabbed on the center of the agar. Bacteria grow in the punctured area. Stab culture are mostly used for a short-term storage or shipment of culture. So this is the types of culture and methods of culture techniques. Hope you will like this video. If you have any kind of query, you can write down in comment section. And this video is generated by JVW Digital version 2.0. Thank you.